In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a video into an image sequence and import it into OpenToonz. By the end, you'll be able to preview your video as frames directly inside OpenToonz and use it like any other animation level. First, convert your video into a sequence of still images. You can use a free tool like FFmpeg or Virtual Dub for this. Both are widely used and reliable. Choose a format that fits your needs. PNG for lossless quality, JPG for smaller file sizes, or TIFF if you're working in a higher-end pipeline. When you export, keep everything in a single folder dedicated to this sequence. It's a good idea to export at the same frame rate as your original video, so timing matches once you're in OpenToonz. As you export, make sure the files are numbered in strict order with leading zeros so they sort correctly. A pattern like video001.png, video002.png, video003.png works well. The zeros are important because they keep the file list in the right order even when you reach double or triple digits. Avoid gaps in numbering and don't rename files in a way that breaks the sequence. If you're using FFmpeg, most presets will automatically handle numbering. In Virtual Dub, make sure the sequence name and numbering format are set before you start exporting. Once your images are ready, open OpenToonz and go to the X sheet or timeline, whichever view you prefer. There's simply two ways of looking at the same scene data. Find an empty column, then right-click the column header and choose Load Level. If your current column isn't empty, pick another blank one so you don't overwrite anything already in your scene. In the file browser, navigate to the folder that contains your image sequence and select only the first image in the set. You don't have to drag across all of them. OpenToonz will detect the numbering and automatically import the entire sequence as an animation level. Depending on the length of your video and the image format, this can take a moment. When it's done, you'll see the frames fill the column from top to bottom. Now press play in the viewer to watch the frames inside OpenToonz. If playback looks too fast or too slow, it often means the scene frame rate differs from your export frame rate, so double check that they match. If you see missing or blank frames, confirm that your numbering is continuous and that the format you chose is supported. That's it. You've converted a video to an image sequence.